What's up guys, it's Joshua here and I finally got my hands on the Honor Magic 4 Pro, but I haven't been able to play with the phone for long. I just able to try on the camera qualities since it's a camera centric phone, right? So before I head into the video, let's do me a favor to hit the subscribe button in these 5 seconds, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and let's go! First thing first, let's talk about the outlook. You immediately notice that the circular camera module looks familiar, which Honor calls the Eye of Muse. You have a reflective mirror-like finish on the back and fingerprints that are quite obvious here. On the front, you get a 6.81-inch LTPO QHD OLED display with an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate. It's a quad curved display, meaning all 4 corners are curved. Well, although the curved edges and curved screen looks nice, but you need some time to get used to the gestures, especially if you're not used to curved screens. Brightness and dimming are quite good. It can boost up to 960 nits in auto mode and dims down quite a lot. The colors are quite nice and sharp thanks to the OLED panel. But one nitpick for me will be this capsule-like selfie camera on the front screen here, because it will disturb your viewing pleasure when you're watching movies on a full screen. You get an ultrasonic under-display fingerprint scanner, 3D face unlock thanks to the TOF sensor on the front, and IP68 water and dust resistance rating. Speaker-wise, it has a stereo speaker setting on the bottom and on the top. It sports a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Gaming on it is pretty smooth, though it might get hot after like 30 minutes of gaming. Daily usage on social media is quite smooth too. So the Honor Magic 4 Pro has an independent chipset for security and to secure all your sensitive information too. All you need to do is just to go to the privacy tab and set it all up. As for the battery life, it comes with a 4600 mAh battery which can last for a day for normal usage. But if you're a heavy user, if you keep using the cameras, well, it only can last you about half a day. On the bright side, it comes with a 100W supercharged charging adapter, so you can charge up to 100% in just 30 minutes. You also get up to 100W wireless charging with its dedicated wireless charging dock. So as I mentioned earlier, this is a camera-centric phone, so the cameras are the highlights of the phone. It sports a 50MP main camera, 64MP 3.5x optical zoom telephoto lens, and a 50MP ultra-wide angle camera. It also has a few more sensors like the 3D TOF sensor, an anti-flicker sensor, and a color spectrum sensor. The pictures from the main camera look sharp and detailed. Color contrast is quite nice too. Portrait shots are okay with nice separation but softer sharpness. The ultra-wide camera is good too, but with some loss in sharpness during indoors. Telephotos are rich in colors and details, and you have the same colors as on the main camera. Overall, the detail on the night photos is quite good on auto mode. The 60MP selfie cameras are decent and nice too. For videos, it can shoot up to 4K 60 frames per second with a newly added IMAX enhanced 10-bin lock format with nice cinematic LUT presets for you to play around. So overall, that's all for the Honor Magic 4 Pro here, and I'm quite satisfied with the picture quality and also video quality, especially on the preset LUTs. And the only nitpick that I want to nitpick is on the battery, because I wish it could have a bigger battery capacity. So what do you think about the Honor Magic 4 Pro with its price? And let me know in the comments below. And I'm Joshua C. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.